Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kalpana. In this lecture, we would be discussing dispute resolution machinery in industrial law and state intervention. Industrial disputes are an inherent part of any industrialized society, stemming from conflicting interests between employer and employees. Industrial Dispute Act 1947 provides a robust legal framework to address these conflicts. Its primary objective to resolve disputes, maintain industrial peace, foster harmonious labor relations, and ensure economic productivity. This is the objective of bringing Industrial Dispute Act because its name is Dispute Act. Preventive and internal mechanism, grievance redressal machinery. Section 9C of Industrial Dispute Act mandates a grievance redressal committee for establishment with 20 plus workers. This aims to resolve individual disputes informally and promptly at enterprise level, such as wage deductions or leave denials. So here the prerequisite to invoke section 9C is the establishment should have 20 plus workers. Work committee applicable to establishment with 100 plus workers. These committees comprise employer and worker representatives. Their goal is to foster amity and good relations, though they are purely consultative and lack adjudicatory powers. Standing orders and code of conduct governed by Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946. These codify service conditions, for example, worker classification, termination rules to reduce disputes. Case laws like Bangalore Woolen Cotton and Silk Mill Company versus the state of Mysore upholds their importance. External mechanism, that is conciliation. Conciliation officers and boards under section 4 to 6 as a chapter of Industrial Dispute Act, a neutral officer facilitates a non-binding process to help parties reach an amicable settlement. Conciliation means pacifying both the aggrieved parties and help them to reach out on amicable settlement. Mandatory in public utilities, conciliation is mandate for public utility services before any strike or lockouts can occur, ensuring essential services remain uninterrupted. Example in practice, conciliation officer might intervene to resolve wage disputes within government transport corporation, aiming for peaceful resolution. External mechanism of voluntary arbitration. Mutual agreement section 10A allows employer and workers to mutually agree to refer disputes to arbitration, promoting self-governance in conflict resolution. Binding awards. Arbitration award is legally binding, similar to court decree, providing a definitive resolution to the dispute. Reducing tribunal burden, voluntary arbitration is encouraged as it helps to alleviate and caseload on formal labor tribunals, streamlining the dispute resolution process. Adjudication, labor court. Labor court handles individual and minor disputes, providing a specialized forum for specific grievances. Industrial tribunal addresses broader disputes such as wages, bonuses, other significant industrial matters. National Industrial Tribunal deals with dispute of national significance, ensuring consistent resolution across country. If conciliation fails, appropriate government can compulsorily refer the matter to these specialized courts. Their awards are binding and enforceable under Section 17 of Industrial Dispute Act, ensuring legal finality. Now coming to the role of appropriate government appointing authority, the government has power to appoint conciliation officers and establish tribunals, ensuring the infrastructure for dispute resolution is in place. Prohibiting actions, it can prohibit strikes, lockouts in public utility services under Section 22, safeguarding essential public services. Suo motu reference, the government can refer matters to for adjudication on its own initiative under Section 10, reflecting its active role in industrial peacekeeping. Bar on civil jurisdiction, no civil jurisdiction. Civil courts generally lack jurisdiction over dispute defined as industrial dispute under Section 2K of Industrial Dispute Act. Specialized law, Industrial Dispute Act is a special law providing exclusive remedies within its framework overriding general civil court jurisdiction. Premier Automobiles Test, Supreme Court's fourfold test, Premier Automobile Limited versus Kamlakar Shantaram Vadke determines if dispute falls under Industrial Dispute Act, thus barring civil court intervention. Now to conclude the lecture, a layered framework for industrial harmony, efficient resolution. Machinery aims to resolve dispute efficiently, prevent escalation. Preserving harmony, it is designed to maintain industrial peace, harmonious labor relations. Specialized justice exclusion of civil court jurisdiction ensures specialized and expert adjudication. Dispute resolution machinery under uh, Indian industrial law is comprehensive, layered framework. It combines internal mechanisms like grievance committees for early resolution with external mechanisms such as conciliation, arbitration, adjudication for structured legal pathways. This specialized approach is crucial for ensuring industrial justice in an evolving labor landscape marked by contractualization and gig work. With this, I would end here. Happy learning.